Today, I'm reviewing the DJI Mini 3 Fly More combo with DJI RC. And after spending real time flying it, filming with it, and traveling with it, I can confidently say this drone is one of the best options out there for beginners and even intermediate users who want professional quality results without the hassle. The first thing that impressed me is how lightweight and portable the DJI Mini 3 is. At under 249 grams, there's no FAA registration required for recreational flying, which makes it stress-free to own and fly. I can easily fold it up, throw it in the included shoulder bag, and take it anywhere. This drone is perfect for travel, hiking, or casual weekend flying. Now let's talk about image quality because that's where this drone really shines. The 4K HDR video is incredibly sharp and detailed. Whether I'm shooting during the day or in lower light conditions, the footage comes out clean with great dynamic range. The 48 megapixel photos are crisp and vibrant, making this drone great not just for video, but also for photography. DJI's dual native ISO really helps preserve highlights and shadows, so the footage looks professional straight out of the camera. One of my favorite features is true vertical shooting. This is a huge win for content creators like me who post on Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. Instead of cropping horizontal footage, the Mini 3 captures vertical video natively, which saves time and keeps quality high. Shooting waterfalls, skyscrapers, or landscapes for social media has never been easier. The Fly More combo is absolutely worth it. It comes with 3 intelligent flight batteries giving me up to 114 minutes of total flight time. That means longer shooting sessions without constantly worrying about battery life. The included 2-way charging hub, extra propellers, and carrying bag make this bundle feel complete and ready for serious use. Flying the DJI Mini 3 is smooth and stable even in challenging conditions. It has level 5 wind resistance and a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, which keeps footage steady even when the wind picks up. I've flown it near the coast and at higher elevations, and the drone remains surprisingly stable for its size. The brushless motors provide plenty of power and confidence in the air. The DJI RC controller is another highlight. Having a built-in screen means I don't need to connect my phone, which speeds up setup and keeps distractions to a minimum. The 10-kilometer HD video transmission gives me a strong, clear signal with minimal interference, allowing me to explore wide landscapes while maintaining a solid live feed. For creativity, DJI includes features like quick shots and panorama modes, which make cinematic shots easy even if you're new to drones. With just a few taps, I can capture dynamic movements that look like they were filmed by a professional pilot. Overall, the DJI Mini 3 Fly More combo is an excellent drone for adults, beginners, and intermediate flyers. It delivers outstanding image quality, long flight time, portability, and ease of use, all at a very reasonable price. If you're looking for a lightweight drone that doesn't compromise on performance, this is one I can highly recommend.